Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Sky! The sheep are on a road just near the farm. Help Sky fly through the air to find out where the sheep are. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Great job! We're almost there. Pick the pub ability that you should use. Find all the pup tree perfect. There's a golden paw print close by. A golden paw print. You got it. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Let's go, Pups. We have to find those sheep and help them get home. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. That will help you to keep going. You did it! You got the pup treats. Which pup ability should you use? Help Sky. She's gotta fly. Way to go! Use the left stick to move Sky through the air. You've got the golden paw print. See if you can find them all. That's great! Awesome! Collect all the pup treats you find to earn pup treat awards when we get back to the lookout. You did it! Awesome! You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Sky found the sheep. Now we need Chase to help move them off the road. Choose the pup ability that will help you to keep moving. All right, now we can keep moving. You help Sky find the sheep, and you help Chase move. Rocky! Let's keep moving. Find and collect all the pup treats that you can. Choose which pup ability you That's great! Possum climbing. Let's keep moving. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Follow the path to reach the collapsed bridge so Rocky can repair it and the sheep can go home. Great job! We're almost there. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. I'm detecting a golden paw. Pick the pup ability that you need to use. Great job! Possum climbing. Let's keep pup treats you find to earn pup treat awards when we get back to the lookout. It's too high for Rocky to jump. Maybe Marshall can help using his ladder. Pick the pup ability that you should use. All right, now we can keep moving. Pick the pup ability that you need to use. Perfect! Help Rocky to move the pieces into the right spot. Awesome! You did it! You placed all the pieces and helped Rocky to repair the bridge. Now the happy sheep can get home. Great job, Paw Patrol!